are anticipating or eager to know what the current state is in the major cities in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Yes, I know a lot of people want to know what the state is in regards to the sit-at-home, Monday sit-at-home that has been on in the entire southeast region of Nigeria. Yes, I'm also very eager. Today is Monday, being 4th of April 2022. Yes, and we are outside. Yes, following the news that the IPOB gave just some few days back, that they have officially called off the Monday sit-at-home in the entire southeast region. This is not the first time they are saying that. They've said it before, and we kept seeing repeated sit-at-home happening, especially in the city of Enugu. I'm currently in the city of Enugu, and I decided to do a drive around town today to see if the people in the southeastern region we adhere to what the IPOB has said, that they have officially called off the Monday sit-at-home in the region. So this is Enugu. We just drive off from Port Harcourt Express. Now we're at Naira Triangle, which is Abakaleke-Enugu Expressway. It's a very busy spot in the city of Enugu, and that's why I decided to do the tour starting from this region. So I'm going to take you to the busy part of town that most people are familiar with, like the likes of New Haven, the likes of Oguyi Road. We're going to see what the activity is like within this region. So guys, here we are, Abakaleke Express. As you can see, the movement is very scanty. If you are a returning subscriber seeing this video, thank you very much for your support. We do appreciate you. Thank you very much. And if you are seeing our video for the first time, please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. So guys, here we are, Abakaleke Express. Let's go and do a turn at the Abakwa Junction, the ever busy Abakwa Junction. That is also a popular spot in Enugu that is known to be busy. In fact, the junction is always busy because there's always buses there loading to Abakaleke, and as the case may be. So the road is very dry, no activity. This is almost 10 o'clock in the morning, so no activities at all. The few government offices we've passed is actually closed. Police stations are shut down as well. Yeah, I would not blame the people for sitting at home in a day such as this, because looking at previous occurrences, yeah, everyone will be scared. Everyone wants to stick out their neck first to observe what is currently going on. Let's do a turn here now. Let's get into New Haven and see what the activity is like. I just choose to come out and do this video to actually see, because the statement released by the IPOB is actually it's like a confidence booster for the people, for anyone that want to go out. But then again, you can never tell if hoodlums is going to hijack the opportunity to perpetrate their crime. So I won't blame everyone for sitting at home or for not coming out as at this time. So that is it. That is my opinion. So you can as well give me your sincere opinion in the comment section, because what I'm saying so is because we've had experiences where people came out and they said, oh, there's no sit at home, and the experiences was not so good. So guys, that is it. We are currently at New Haven Junction. Let's find our way into New Haven and let's see what New Haven is like. Yeah, if you are from Enugu State or you've ever visited Enugu State, I know there is no way you must not have heard about New Haven. Yes, it's one of the spots in Enugu, or one of the places in Enugu that has 24 hours activities. Yes, 24 hours activities actually in that area. So let's get into New Haven and let's see what the activity is like. You can actually go down our video catalog to see the ones we've uploaded before now. We've actually been doing Monday sit at home repeatedly before now, just to update you guys on the current happening around town on Mondays. But for some time we also stopped, looking at as if activities was trying to kickstart again, but later on everything went totally flat. But we choose to do this today following the statement that was issued by the IPOB. So New Haven we are. Still very scanty for the New Haven that we know. For 10 o'clock in the morning like this, New Haven is busy. Students are going to school. In fact, horns are constantly on here. You know, this junction in particular, very busy junction. Yes, everywhere is dry. Though there are some few commercials we are actually seeing on the road. Few commercials are running, keke is running, some buses are actually running. It's just that a whole lot of businesses are shut down. So I wonder where the people are going if the businesses are shut down. So, but looking at the way the buses and keke is working this morning, I believe maybe later on in the day there will be activity. Before now, we experience activity as from 4-5 o'clock in the evening, but I think it might be earlier than that today, looking at the rate at which I'm seeing buses and keke. For those of you who have not seen our previous videos, you can check them out in the catalog to have an understanding of what I am talking about. Yes, you can check them out just to have an understanding, because the level of keke we are seeing, you can look straight down up New Haven. Now you see that there are a lot of keke counting up there along the road. So that is it, guys. So if you are new on our channel, don't be surprised. This is the kind of videos we do, and we visit cities and just bring unedited truth about what we are seeing on ground in regards to the city. We give our sincere opinion, which is not final in regards to the situation. That is why we don't edit our video. We drop them just the way they are. So that is it. We just passed Takalaka now in New Haven. We are approaching Uduma. We're approaching Uduma now. Still very scanty. New Haven is a serious business hub in Enugu. For it to be this quiet, I won't be surprised that virtually every other part is quiet in the city. Yeah, everybody is still in their house. And funny enough, the weather in Enugu today is quite very calm. It rained a little last night and the weather is so cool. So it's still a calm weather. Probably everything was planned together to happen like this. It's a serious calm weather that we have this morning in Enugu State. Yeah, a few guys are there selling rice. Let's see, there's usually police people mounting the junction, the New Haven junction. Let's see if they are doing that today. But generally, I come out every Monday, though I just go straight to, yeah, there are policemen here. Just to digress a little, you can see them. You can see them, they are there. So I come out every Monday to see the current state of things in the town. Yeah, it's usually quiet, dry. And before now, just my observation again, Market Square used to be open, but today they are closed. And this is almost 10 o'clock. Yeah, they used to be open. So is it that the people are scared that following the statement by IPOB, there might just be a surprise attack or something? Is that why everybody decided to close today? There used to be some few filling stations that were open before just to sell fuel, but now everywhere is closed. We're already at Ogui Road. Ogui Road is still another business hub of the town. Yes, you can't visit Enugu as well without knowing Ogui Road. Your taxi or your bus must take you through these routes if you are moving around Enugu. New Haven, Ogui Road, there are busy areas that you can hardly avoid if you are moving around town in Enugu. This is Ogui Road we just passed. Old artisan market now. Everywhere is totally shut down. Okay, I think this filling station is selling fuel. Their light is on. Oh, they are not selling, but their light is on, which simply means the workers might be there. Maybe they are not just selling yet, still observing the situation of things around the town. So I just want us to get to stadium let's see what it is like in stadium. Let's just see what stadium is like. Make a U-turn in stadium. Totally shut down, no movement today. Yeah, this is stadium that we are now at the Gui Road. As you can see, stadium is also very, 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 very quiet. So guys, let's make a U-turn. Stadium. So guys, that is it. I don't think I need to go any further because exploring these places we just drove through now, it's obvious there's no activity at all in town as at this time, 10 in the morning. So let's see what happens as the day goes by. So if you have stayed with me till now and you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. We remain loyal to you guys as always. Thanks for your support. And if you are returning, if you are yet to subscribe and you are seeing this video, please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. And just to mention, we are almost at 3,000 subscribers. Please help us share our page, help us share our channel so we can get to 3,000 subscribers faster and faster. Thank you very much guys, we appreciate you. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.